I don't want to make content to farm 20 videos. That's not what I'm trying. I want to take a car that I know I can make good. You know, if I put in 15K, I'm going to pull out like the maximum and cover everything. I don't want to take somebody's car and be like, I put 6K and I'm like, look, I fixed somebody's car and what I did, exhaust, rims, and that's not it. You know, I would like to do whole engine bay, more horsepower, nothing crazy like 400 like this one, the Honda Civic. But this Mitsubishi, bro, 350, 400 horsepower, rebuilt engine, turbo, rims, exhaust, full paint job, engine bay to look cool, new steering wheel, new seats, new seat belts, like all of these things to do for him would be insane. So I'm not looking for like some, and the thing is, like, bro, I can go, what's their name? I keep forgetting. Atomic Shop racing seats. Look, I can get a lot of cheap racing seats from them, you know? I wouldn't put something like this in his car, but I would definitely go with like, of course, Recaro, of course, racing seats. Yeah, they don't, okay. They don't have all the pictures. I wouldn't go with this. I would probably go with something like this. This is nice. But I don't know if these side things would annoy him. These are too expensive. I didn't even want to put these for me. But I would go with something from Recaro, and his car is red. I don't know if we should put red inside as well. That's something I would little by little decide. But doing something like this, like 800, this is okay. But I wouldn't do red, I would do black. Wait, what is that guy? Bro, honestly, I'm mostly interested in this one. The interior I would take off, send to these guys to change color. See, it's probably black, bro, honestly. Like even something like this with these. But it's 1.6K. Yeah, I wouldn't go like that. Wait, what else do we have except the Recaro? We can do, let's do Bride. We can do Spark as well. Let's see here. I don't like these with this, because if you're daily driving it, you can't look on the side, and that's annoying, because I had those in my car, and they were very bad. They would match the color outside. Bro, these look nice. These look nice. What you guys think? I mean, because I'm not looking to spend too much money. These look nice. I would just have to check. I mean, the price you see here, I can get half the price. I'm honestly hyped for this one. This one seems like a good idea. Okay, anyway, let's go next. 370Z, too new. This is from Montegagro as well. Carbon hood, rims, spoiler, AMS front, Nismo rear, sport seats, exhaust stage 1, carbon steering wheel, carbon shifter. This one already looks good, bro. This is a new car. It's not cool to take a new car, right? Yeah, it's a rare car, and there's a lot to do on that Mitsubishi. Ah, thank you, Danža. Ne, ovo je Zebi. Nego pričamo, Danža, I'm going to talk to you in English, okay? I'm doing that thing where I'm looking at emails from people. Yeah, and I like this car. I would like to do this car. Look why. You know this car, right? Yeah. This car, I would like to do. Because it looks so bad. Everything looks so bad. Seats look bad. Steering wheel looks bad. Interior looks... Yeah, but look, I don't know. Like, I need to check a bit. Yeah. But Mitsubishi, I don't have to put a steering wheel like this. I can put like a steering wheel, racing steering wheel. Like, for example, Mitsubishi Eclipse racing steering wheel. Like, we can find, like this, bro. Like this. Something like this. But again, I wouldn't, I probably wouldn't put even this. But, look at this. You put this. NRG steering wheel, look, you put this. What? Go. Okay, where can I find the site, bro? I don't know. It's not this site. I think it's not. This, here it is. Thank God we found it. This. So basically then you go and you buy this. Wait, for shows. Products. Express show. No. Where was it? Bro, what are these names? Nitros Express. Let's try like this. Nitros Express NS for shows. Let's try like this. Simulator. Okay, simulator. Yes. NOS simulator. Let me see like this. Here it is. Thank you. Finally found it 20 minutes later. This. You buy this. You get the spray as well. I don't know if it's gonna show here. You get this, you put it on your car, and then you put this little steering wheel, and then he can have NOS in his car, like in Fast and Furious, and we make like a joke with it when he goes to an event and he presses and it just sprays on the side. I think that could be cool. Kontaš? Ono što imam u GTR-a pozadi, sam i on stavi isto na dugme da mi ono prska.
Da, ovdje staviš na volan na dugme.
Da, jer možemo staviti. Jer, guys, I have it on my GTR as well. Before I had NOS and then we removed it because now I'm using ethanol. So now you can see here, let me show you how that looks. So just for him, we put it on the steering wheel and I put like 2 bottles instead of 1. And where was it? Here, you can see it maybe here. Yeah, here. Look. And we can put like that on his car, and 2 big bottles in the trunk, and he presses it and it looks like in Fast. I think that could be sick to look. Is he upgrading a viewer's cars? Yes. I'm really hyped about this car. Like these other cars people are sending are like basically new cars. Oh. He did the car, I say Limaria, bro, the car bonnet. I don't know how you say it. Like he did the car from outside. It's Limaria. I don't know how to say it in English. The body. He did the body work. Sorry. This is now fucked, I guess. He wants to do something anime style. He wants to do a lip, задний lip, drugi spoiler, side skirts, engine swap. I can't do that because it's annoying to register the car after that. I mean, the car looks nice, but...
Ma dobro film, čini mi se.
Yes. Mi se sve sviđa, mislim Japan Racing, ali sve mi se sviđa ovako.
We have the same taste for film, ne?
Yes. This looks good, but... Aircushion. Oh no, Lancer. Bro, but this is already a good car. This is what I'm saying. Some people are sending good cars, already good cars. Compare this to that Mitsubishi Lancer or the BMW. I mean, even this Honda wouldn't be fair to put in because it's already a new car. Like, it's already a good car. The guy already has a good car. It's better to do it for somebody who has an older car. Let's do like this, right?
Yes.
It's better for somebody who has a car and we take his car and we make the car look really good rather than taking somebody's car which is already good and trying to make it great. Then it's kinda, right? It's kinda already it's not fair. Let's say like that. E90 325. Ah, bro, but look, wait, his car, wait. Ah, bro. Look at this, Vanya. This is what he's sending me. Ah, bro, but this already looks good.
Yes, bro.
This already, look. He already did a lot of to this car.
Yes.
And it looks like he's doing it alone. I mean, Look, it already looks good.
Da.
He has racing seats, interior done, steering wheel done, front bumper, lights,
Ja
rear
sad
bumper.
uzmeš nekome kojemu je stvarno u lošem stanju.
Je, kod nema para
Ko
koji,
bi si
znaš,
vidjeli
ono, da.
rad.
Oh, okay, I'm writing this down. Oh, this was my first car ever. I'm writing this down. But for real, this was my first car, Ganja.
Yeah, I know.
I love this car, bro. I would love to do this car. But the thing is, a lot of people would say it's shit car to do, but I would love to do this car. I would love to do this car.
Baš mi je cool to što radiš.
Jel tako?
Yes.
I bila bi fora da i ovaj uzmem da što sam ja imao. I had a player here. I had the steering wheel same. I had the racing seats with the side you can't see from them. That were really Renault. Let me see. Renault Sport bucket seats from Sabelt. I think it was Sabelt. Yeah, Sabelt. Let me show you. No. These are the seats I had. You could not see. I paid a ton of money to have these seats in my car. And the same car, I put these seats in. Look, Vanya, these seats. Vesna was driving, and Vesna sits in this seat, and she can't see left or right. She has a friend sitting on the seat next, and they're driving, and both of them can't talk to each other because the seat is like blocking everything. And you need to look behind, and she looks behind, and she's looking at the seat. And when I put this seat in the car, that's when I learned to like fully drive on side mirrors, because you can't look. You see this? You cannot turn around. You cannot see anything. So she's sitting here, her friend is here, and they can't talk to each other. And she was like full tilt, like, that car, I'm never again driving, you ruined the car. And I was
Yeah,
like,
she
bro,
said you ruined the car.
I have a racing seat, bro, like, I'm racing, you know? I was
She
like,
talked to my mama before,
Yeah,
like
see.
a couple of days, and she
Bro.
told as well that.
I love this. So I'm gonna put this car there, because it's in there. Yo, same thing, this brakes. Every time you want to go on the back seat, this thing here handle brakes, and then you can't go back, and it's like cutting your fingers. And I had a player here that, like, when you turn on the car, it comes out and stands up. And his is newer than mine because his has this to close and open. Mine was just always open. Bro, memories. Okay, interesting. Miata, no, not interesting. Miata, I'm sorry, bro. It's sick car, but not interested. Not interesting project, honestly. I mean, if I wanted to buy a Miata for Vanya as an interesting project, for her to drive with little work to it and cheap. It's cheap to do it. It's not expensive. So that's what I want to do the car, but not like a project for me. But it already looks sick. This is what I'm saying. His car already looks sick. Vidi, this is what I wanted to buy for you.
Ah,
Do
cute.
you remember? I was telling you Miata, but I wanted to buy, and he already has a nice steering wheel. Look, it's not stock steering wheel. It's aftermarket, I think, from here.
It's cute.
Yes. Can I zoom in? Yeah. It's not stock steering wheel. So it's he already kind of did shit to the car, and now, you know what I mean? Not fun. And last one, this is for today. 20 people for today, and then 20 tomorrow.
Ljudi su smorili.
We have 500, što?
Pa znaš, ono, ko me pogledaš, kao, ajmo ga sad moj kone, brate, kvantaš?
A što misliš kad oni vide, jel?
Da, oni se gledaju kao i ti kao i...
A jebi ga, ali brate, nije
Kapiram,
fair, kontaš me,
jeste.
neću nikog
I
da...
slažem se, bolje.
I don't want anybody to be mad at me or something like that. It's just, I want to put money into somebody who doesn't have a good car and make it good. I don't want to put money into somebody who already has a great car, and then people are going to say, yo, bro, he already has like a great car, I have a shit car, you didn't do my car, you know? I think it's better to do somebody's shit car and make it good. Look, Vanya, look at this. This is already a nice car. This already looks nice. Like, I understand he wants a carbon hood, maybe more thing, but this is already a nice car compared to that Mitsubishi, right? Ne slušaš me?
Slušala sam, gledala sam, ali nisam znala da mene pitaš, mislim da njih pitaš, jes. Mislim da treba ne baš u lošem stanju.
Mitsubishi onaj.
Da.
Napisao sam, i ovaj mi se sviđa, gleda ovaj. Ovaj mi je odmah bio dobar, vidio. BMW je, ali kakav je. Ali isto je noviji, ali bi mogla dobra priča se napravi. Ali sam ga stavio tu, jer ono, može od ovoga da se napravi nešto tuniran dobro.
Glavnica.
Da. Ja sam mislio da je njegov, on kaže nije njegov. I ovo mi je cool da možeš napraviti ovako, razumiješ, i haubu mu staviš, napraviš ga onako malo nabuđen, sad je ono stok, a opet je zanimljiviji, da kažem, Mitsubishi, jel tako? Ili ali ovaj je zajeban uradi, gledaj ovaj. Ovo je baš pakao, gdje je onaj, 200 SX, gledaj ovo je baš zajeban uradi, ovo ne znam ko bi uradi, gledaj. Ovo je baš zajeban, vidio. Ovo je kao 280X. Ovo je baš pakao.
To bi mjesecima i mjesecima
trajalo. This one, I'm more worried because it would take so much work, and Nissan, especially 280ZX, 260, 240, 200, these cars had a lot of rust. And my car had a lot of rust, and I had to take it on laser, and people, like I can show you, we had to laser take off everything from the car to fix the car, So I would have to take this car for laser, and it's risky. Let me see if I have that videos. I have the videos here. You see, we had to remove with a laser all the rust from single parts. And then you can see the difference between, let me show you the difference. This is how it looked before and how it looked after, you see? This one side is before, one side is after. And then we had to do this for the whole car, for a lot of the car parts, and well, you can see here. Look at this difference. Look, this is before, this is after. Right, can you see? This is before, and this next to it is, you see? So I already know for the 200 SX, this is a huge project. This is I think he should count 30K for this. This is a lot of money. So tomorrow we continue with more. Today we just check out these 20. Because look guys, this is only 20 today. We did 21 today. But look at my emails. We have, here I'm going to show you, 590 emails. Oh, it lagged out. Here, 600 emails. So I have to check 600 people. So today we do 220, then tomorrow 20, and then 20 and 20. So for today, out of the 20, I have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this one very expensive. This one sentimental. This one is sentimental. This one is very interesting but very expensive. This is very interesting. This one is older car, interesting. But for the moment, this one. Honestly, this one is my top. I don't know what you guys think. 206 at this point is just for drift cars with cage and a half chassis removed from rust. It's hard to find clearly. Yes. I don't know, if somebody thinks I'm not fair, I'm down to listen, I'm down to, fix. But trust me, bro, for the, wait, let me just copy so I don't have to write. Mitsubishi Eclipse HKS exhaust. I'm already hyped for this one. We get a HKS exhaust for, yeah, we will have to put him a turbo, for sure a turbo. Nah, we can modify whatever it is, and I can get it as well from Zeno. This like this, then seats inside. Turbo kit. Wait, I mean the turbo kit we don't need because I send the car to Zeno and I tell him to put a turbo. He puts on a turbo. He does the forge. I'm already thinking to just pick this guy, tell him, yo, send me your car next month, and we start. Bro, trust me. I mean, I'm not gonna do it. We're gonna wait. There was already a Bosnian car YouTuber that had it, and it's not fun, bro. Don't compare what people here have with what I'm gonna do. People here on Balkan tuning a car and tuning for somebody else is put exhaust, put rims, and wash it and change some lights or change steering wheel. For me, I will rebuild his whole engine bay so it looks a bit like my car's engine bay. I mean, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna have people who I work with to do it. Of course, rims, lower the car, maybe even put it on air, do a whole paint job, not just put a wrap or something, full paint job, fix the interior, put new seats, fix whatever is cut off, call a guy, I have him here in Montegagro to redo the whole interior of the car. Like, I have people, I want to do, like, it's not good engine for boost, zoom, forged internals, 1 turbo, 400 horsepower, enough for him. And we do it like this. We do something like this. We put these front, side, rear. We put the turbo. We make the engine bay look as similar as possible to this. You know, we make it look cool. We make it a bit like a replica of Fast and Furious. Not exactly the same, but a bit like a replica, you know? Something similar, not the same color. Keep the color he wants, the red. 2 seats like this. Look at the seats inside. Put these seats. I can't zoom in, bro. But, like, you know, put these seats inside. There's so much we could do to make it good. Okay, anyway, tomorrow we continue. We're gonna do it, and especially because there's people on Balkan who already did it, I would really do it because of that, to show that we can do it better.